So now that we have separated out the mixture, what we want to do now is we want to determine the percentage of each item in the bag. And how we're going to do this is we're going to weigh each of the item. We're going to find out what the total mass of the mixture was, and then you will do some math with a calculator after we are done with this. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to go item by item. And what I want you guys to do right now is on your paper, you need to write the word marble in that first space in your table. And we are going to measure it in grams. So I'm going to turn on my scale, and I hope that these do not, they probably will roll. Okay, so let me get some paper towel down so that we've got some kind of friction. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to zero it out or tear it out. And what that means is that right now, the scale does not recognize, or the scale still recognizes the paper towel on there, but it has zeroed it out and has made that adjustment. So I'm going to go ahead and put the marbles on here. And if on your chart, by the marble with the mass of the item, go ahead and put 24 grams because that is what it says. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my marbles. And next, what I want you guys to do is I want you to put the word nails. We are going to measure the nails that we had in this mixture. So what I want you guys to do now is I want you to go ahead and put 4 grams in that area for it. Okay. Then what we're going to do is I'll go ahead and take the nails off now. Is we are going to measure the cork. So go ahead and put the word cork. And I am just going to dump out the cork right now that we used. Okay, it kind of suctions into here, so that's why. Okay. So then what you're going to do is you're going to want to put 15 grams with the cork. All right. And then the last thing that we are going to measure is the sand. Okay, so again, I want to tear this out. I want to actually make sure that it goes back to 0. So I'm going to put my paper towel down. I'm going to tear it back so that makes sure that it is at 0. And I'm just going to take the sand and I'm going to put it right onto this paper towel. Okay. And we're going to say that this is 137 grams. So go ahead and put 137 grams next to sand. So you should have written sand in there. And so now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add each of the items that we had in our mixing, in our bag mixture. And so here are the nails, the marbles. Let's hope that they stay. And then last but not least, I dropped some of the cork. Get it off this paper. Cork on there. All on there. Sorry guys, I have a little bit more, and this cork really sticks to your hands. Okay, so now in that third column, what you're going to write is you are actually going to write in all 4 of those areas, you are going to write 173 grams, 173 grams, 173 grams, 173 grams. And on the next slide, I am going to show you with a calculator how you are going to calculate the percentage that each item took up in the bag.